Oh, wow!
I knew you would come, Susie.
Of course you did. It's my room after all.
If you want to get it together with this sofa and sweets, you have to show me what you're made of.
Sammy, do you have a fever or what? Oh, now I see. Sammy, what kind of nonsense is this?
Don't call Kung Fu philosophy nonsense! I'll write a special letter for you which will explain everything. Oh no! You can't read a letter which is not written.
Calm down, Sammy. Even without the letter, I know what we need. Come.
So what are we going to do? Learn Kung Fu? Cook wontons?
Hi guys! Today we're going to make a pencil sharpener because every Kung Fu master should have things sharpened, even pencils.
Sue, do you know who my favorite character is?
Judging by the book and the hat… Oh, Panda!
Of course! Can we make our sharpener look at least a little like him, please?
How can I say no to you, Sammy? You'll have a sharpener named Poe, like in the book.
Hooray! A panda sharpener! I can't even imagine how it is!
You'll see, Sammy. I'm sure you'll like it very much.
Oh, so many parts. When do we start?
First, let's cut out the heart-shaped eyes.
But do it with lots of love.
Sure, it can't be done any other way. Panda's eyes are his calling card.
Wow, we have a panda in love here.
So true. Love is in the air. It's coming out nice. Now I need to color the face. Will you help me, Sammy?
Sure. Everyone knows that I am a born artist.
Meanwhile, I'll get to the things that will be hidden from our eyes. We need a door in the back, which we'll use to look inside of our panda. We also need a spot for the switch. There.
A switch for a sharpener? Sue!
Oh, Sammy, I totally forgot to tell you. It won't be a simple sharpener. It'll be an automatic one. To sharpen a pencil, we won't even have to twist it.
Wow, then the thumbs up button should also be automatic. Yeah, I can feel the flow of your thumbs up. Sue, will our pencils have switches too?
No, those will just be normal pencils. All done! Now we need to assemble the mechanism which will sharpen our pencils. We'll need a regular sharpener and a motor like this.
Let me guess. Are we gonna glue them together?
Right you are. But first, let's remove the sharpener blade and make a hole for the motor. Let's start. Just like this.
The world's first supersonic sharpener! It's unbelievable!
Yeah, but you have to make the hole very carefully. Guys, ask an adult to help you here. Now we can connect our parts and fix them using the hot glue gun.
Don't forget to put the sharpener blade back, Sue!
Oh, right. I was thinking about Panda. Let's tighten the blade. You're back home!
Let's check if this technical wonder is functioning. I see that you already attached something to it.
Yes, I attached the wires, the switch, and a battery with a socket. Very carefully. Here, look!
Holy cannoli! No! Holy panda wontons! I can see the automatic sharpener!
Right, Sammy? Let's make our office life a little bit easier.
Oh, I guess that speed made my head spin.
Now we need to put the sharpening mechanism and the cardboard together.
And how do we do it? What do we start with?
First, let's glue the cardboard to the back of our panda this way.
But how do we make a panda which sharpens pencils out of this?
Oh, you're so impatient, Sammy. One thing at a time.
Look at these pieces I found.
These are the exact ones we're going to use now, in order to glue the sharpener to Poe's back.
how will the motor work without any power supply?
You'll see, Sammy. Pass me that battery, please.
Here you go. It's so big. I guess there's so much power inside that our panda will handle all the pencils.
Yes, here we need batteries with a big power capacity. This cardboard piece will cover the battery from the top. A couple more touches here, and our inner secret power is ready.
Hooray! Our panda has superpowers now!
Let's also glue these parts to fix the sharpener. And another small piece so each pencil hits the mark.
It's the mark, like the blow of Kung Fu Panda.
Sam, now I need the piece with the eyes. Hurry up and bring it here!
Yes, ma'am. Check out these eyes. Does it look like Poe?
Oh, no doubt, Sam. But to make these eyes even more expressive, we'll need a colored base layer.
We'll be ready in no time, Sue.
By the way, guys, tell us in the comments what your favorite part of Kung Fu Panda is. And who's your favorite character?
You know who I vote for.
Of course! So now we need a frame in which the eyes will be sliding back and forth. Sam, pass me the frame parts.
Here! What's next?
Thanks! Let's glue the frame to the front piece to create the moving eyes effect.
Do you mean Poe's eyes will be moving? Like if they were real?
You'll see as soon as we finish.
Yeah? Are we gonna test it soon? I can't wait anymore, Stu! With moving eyes, the panda will not only sharpen pencils, but also watch Cookie. Nobody will escape its sharp eye.
At the moment, I can only show it this way. This will move the eyes.
But how will we move Poe's eyes after we close this part?
Oh, you'll understand now. Let's take the popsicle stick and glue a toothpick to it.
A popsicle. I'd like to have a panda-shaped ice cream now. Oh, so look what I found under the table. It's some rubber band.
Ooh, great, Sammy. That's exactly what we need now. Let's make 3 knots on the rubber band and glue it to our construction this way. Now attach 2 other pieces of cardboard. Here. Easy peasy.
You've got to do your best to make everything work. What's next?
Now we glue this construction to Poe's face. We are almost done.
Sue, I think we should check the tension.
Oh, you're right, Sammy. But first, let's remove all the extra parts. Now we can try it. We did everything right! Awesome!
One more lever in our collection. Soon we'll be as good as Archimedes.
Whoa! I'm impressed that you know that the great Archimedes was the first one to describe the work of a lever. Want to check out what it looks like from the front?
Our Poe is just like a real one. Look! Sorry, but I'm gonna have a staring contest with Panda. Sue, I can't wait to see our panda in action!
We're almost there. Let's work on the door. We need to cut out a small piece like this. But guys, be very careful. With the help of this wooden toothpick and a piece of cardboard, I'll easily get the necessary result. You just need to stick it into the right place.
I wish a simple door in my room could be installed with a toothpick.
True. Let's check if the panda door actually works.
It does! Sue, it's brilliant!
Thanks, Sam, but we still need the rest of the parts for the head.
I made them a long time ago.
Thanks, Sammy, that's just what we need. When did you find the time?
Maybe when you were hypnotized by Panda's eyes.
Now we have the side part. We need to color it and glue. Whoosh! Glue it nicely so it doesn't look crooked. Sammy, can you help me color it, please? Now let's color the back wall. Up.
Where will we insert the pencil?
Right, you're so attentive today. Let's make a hole, which will lead to the sharpener. Enlarge it with a pencil and install the button.
Now we can finally glue Po's face to this construction!
Correct, Sammy. Let's do it right away. Here comes more glue. And this pretty little face.
I also think that we need to cover the bottom, so nothing can accidentally fall out of our Panda Po.
Yes, but to make it easier for changing the battery, we'll leave a small hole there.
Oh, now I remember what else we forgot. Here, is it time to glue them?
Ah, right you are. Yes, let's glue these cute ears to our Panda Po.
Now Po can not only see but hear as well. I'm sure now Cookie won't be naughty.
All right, we only need to make a couple of signs to make things clear.
What kind of signs? Chinese Kung Fu hieroglyphics?
Open, on and off. And here, pencil. Sorry, but I made them in English. Otherwise, we'd get confused.
Now everything will be clear.
Definitely. Hurry up and bring the pencil. Otherwise, I won't find out what should be in that letter of yours.
Finally! I'm on my way!
And I've got another thing that will make Sam happy.
Master Shifu taught you everything I knew myself.
Sam, can we just check if our pencil sharpener works?
Well, Po, don't fail me.
Look, it's perfect.
Oh, you are something. Now it'll be more fun to sharpen pencils and draw with them.
I understand, Sammy, but that's not all.
What's wrong? Did we forget something?
We forgot to feed the panda with bamboo!
Whoa, so many new pencils!
Perfect.
Actually, it's time to write that note for you, Sue. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Yes, guys. Thanks for watching. Try to make this awesome automatic pencil sharpener with your parents.
Susie, you've got a letter.
Wow, what's in here? I'm a bit scared. Oh, Sammy, you're so sweet.
Bye-bye.